All right, so here's a look at the Poolin sewing machine. Now this is going to be a great sewing machine for both beginners and intermediate sewers because it's got a lot of different things, especially these presets right here. You can see there's over 200 different presets, which include different types of stitching. And down here, there's also going to be lettering and other marks as well. So you've got a lot of options with this machine. It's got a lot of automations in it, so it's not just going to be your traditional old school sewing machine that only has a couple of different options. Now you could also see there is an LED screen on here as well that's going to show you everything, so you can make your selections over here, and you've got them all numbered, so you can kind of just flick through each of the numbers on here, and that's going to change what type of sewing pattern to show up. Now if you wanted to, you can use the foot pedal that comes with it. So one note here is if you've got this plugged in, then you can only use the foot pedal. If you wanted to use the continuous sewing that comes on the machine, you actually would just control it with these buttons right here. But just make sure that that foot pedal is actually unplugged or it's not going to work. Now it's also going to come with a bunch of other accessories as well. You could see a little sample of everything that's going to come with it right there. It also will come with some threads as well. So it comes with a white, a black, a gray, and a red. It's going to come with this dust bag, which is really nice quality actually. I like the feeling of this, and you can easily just slip this right over the machine when you go to put it away, just so that you know you're not getting it dirty, dusty, or anything like that. Then it's also going to have this platelet down here on the bottom that's going to have your measurements. So if you wanted to attach this, you can basically slide this underneath here. Well, you would have to take this little storage compartment out, and then you could slide it underneath. That way you've got your measurements. Now there is a little storage compartment up here in the front, and this is where all of your accessories are going to be when you first get the machine. If you open it up there, there's a little secret door, and that's where everything's going to get stored. Now I really like this because it's multifunctional. You're able to just keep this up here on the front. You slide it around like that, it hooks in, and it's basically just a part of the machine, but it's going to be able to store all your little components that you need. Now it's also going to come with a user manual and a quick start guide to get everything going. Since this is not your traditional sewing machine, you might need a little bit of help setting it all up, getting this threaded. It does have an automatic threading function, which basically just loops up here from your thread down through here, and then it's going to go and you can auto thread it through your needle. Then down here in the base, you can see that the bobber is down at the bottom. You could also change things like the speed on here as well. So this one's going to have 3 different speeds: your slow, your medium, and your fast. So regardless of how experienced of a sewer you are, there's a lot of different functionalities to this that are going to either help you as a beginner or allow you to succeed as an intermediate. A couple of other cool basic functions are things like the handle right here. I like this because you don't have to pick the whole machine up like this and be worried about damaging anything. It's nice. It's got this handle right here, which you could just easily pick up. On the back side, you're going to have your traditional wall plug. So it's just going to be a basic 2-prong plug, and you got your off on switch. Then right here, this port is going to be for your foot pedal. So pretty easy, nothing too complicated over here in the back. All right, so I've already got this automatically threaded. I've got everything set up after about 5 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and give it a shot for the first time. So I've just got an old t-shirt here. I'm not quite ready to actually sew anything yet. So let's just go ahead and we'll start off with this t-shirt just to see how things work on my first attempt. So you can see I've got it all lined up here, and I'm not going to be using the foot pedal. I'm going to be using the controls up here on the side. So you can see right there, it's got the start and stop button. And the way that this works is you're just going to press it and it's going to start. Then when you want it to stop, you're going to click it one more time. I'm going to leave it on the slow setting for now, and let's go ahead and get it going. So you can see we've got the stitch going over here on the other side. Not the straightest stitch. I mean, this is kind of my first time using the machine, so I'm definitely going to need a little bit more practice, but I kind of just wanted to show you that essentially you can get it set up immediately and start getting to work. So like I said, this is a great sewing machine for beginners because you're able to get it set up and start sewing immediately, but it also has so many different features to it. So if you are an intermediate sewer, you can jump into those more advanced features. So if you're looking for a good sewing machine, if you're just starting off, or if you're already a bit intermediate, then I would highly recommend picking up this one by Poolin.